cause I'm a lady.
I got Gucci on my body, but it's true that's on my mind. You know I think about you all the time. You got something.
Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it has been a while. Yeah, I know. Anyways, so I am starting a new segment on my channel, and it is called Makeup Mondays. So every Monday I will upload a video like this one relating to makeup. Now, I am not a makeup professional. Let me get that out of the way. I just love makeup and I love doing makeup, but I'm not a professional. So this is a collab with Miss Anna K, and I will have her YouTube channel linked down below. So please guys, go and check her out. I'll also put her thing right here. So what we will be doing, we're gonna be doing a Carnival Fever. So it's called Carnival Fever. So I'll be doing a makeup look looking like a carnival person. Now, to make it clear, I've never been to a carnival, so don't come at me if this ain't right. I looked it up on Google, so don't come for me. Without further ado, let's get into the Alright guys, so the first thing I will be using is my Clean Color Pro Prep and Prime Makeup Primer Spray, and after which I'll be using my LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. And I love this foundation because I think it covers really well, and it was cheap. Oh, and I'm using this brush, flat brush. Yeah, it's kind of dirty, but oh well. So I have used my brush to spread the makeup around. Okay. Right now I'm going to be using my beauty blender, and I'm going to spray it with some of my LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. So I'm going to spray it with that. And then I'm going to use this to blend out my face.
I might never be a knight in shining armor. I might never be the one you take home to mother. And I might never be the one who brings you flowers. But I can be the one,
Well, yeah. Alright, so after that step, guys, I don't want all of this to come off, so I'm gonna be putting on some powder. So I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and it is in the shade 355 Coconut, along with this brush, this powder brush. So now I'm going to be filling in my brows, and I'll be using this pencil, and the writing is gone, but this is the pencil. It's a brown pencil along with my spoolie. And for highlighting my brows, cleaning it up, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. This is it. There we go. Along with this brush and this beauty blender. So
But if you like And if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, then baby I'm perfect. Baby I'm perfect for you. I might never be a knight in shining armor. I might never be the one you take home to mother. And I might never be the one who brings you flowers, but I can be the one tonight. When I first saw you from across the room, I could tell that you were curious. Oh yeah, girl, I hope you're sure what you're looking for, 'cause I'm not good at making promises. But if you like causing trouble up in hotel rooms, and if you like having secret little rendezvous, if you like to do the things you know that we shouldn't do, then baby I'm perfect. Baby I'm perfect for you. And if you like midnight driving.
Alright, so my next step is I'm gonna take this Pro Conceal in Fawn, and I'm gonna try and highlight my face.
You can try to smooth me.
So now I'm gonna be taking this brush. I don't even know what the number is. Not a professional. Sorry. And I'm gonna be
Take back all that I said. I've said it before and I'll say it.
Since I have finished highlighting, I'm gonna be taking a palette and then I am gonna set that highlights. Alright, so this is the palette. It is the LA Colors I Love Makeup Contour Palette. And then I'm gonna take this angled brush and I will be using the shade. I'm gonna be using this shade here to try and highlight this. Before I start anything on my eyes, I use this She Makeup eyeshadow primer, and it's the tinted one. So yeah, they have the whites, but I didn't want the whites, so I took the tinted one. So I'm gonna be using the Santee eyeshadow glitter kit, but because it's my crease, I cannot use the glitter in the crease, so I'm gonna be using this purple looking color, and I'm gonna be trying to get that in my crease. this palette, but I'm gonna be going in with this yellow. Try to add some glittery look to this makeup look. So to be honest, I don't remember what this palette is called, but I bought it and it was so cute. I love the packaging. That's really why I bought it. So, but it came in a box and I throw it in the box and it has no name on the outside. So I'm gonna take this yellow and see if I can get some shimmer and probably some more color. And now to do my eyeliner, I'm gonna be trying to do this wing eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the Color Pro Pomade shade black and my angled brush. So now it's time for the finishing touches. So I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes with this and putting on my favorite mascara, and it's the Falsies Volume by Maybelline. Sorry. Guys, so my mascara is on. So now what I'm gonna do is set my face, and I'm gonna set it with my Color Pro makeup setting spray. So my highlight that I'm using is not really a highlight, it's a bronzer. It's the Just Color Pro Glow Baked bronzer, and this is so shimmery. I just love it. And I'm using this feathered brush. so now I'm gonna be taking this what's this, Kissou lipstick in number 11. This is what it looks like. I'm now gonna take my, what's this, Kylie, it's not real, don't come for me, Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gossip Girl. Yeah, I think that's the shade. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is the final look. I'ma take some photos and insert that. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember, this is a collab with my girl Annika. Her YouTube channel's name will be down in the description. Please watch her video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment. And please subscribe if you haven't before. And I will see you guys next time.